If you've been craving something sweet before we ring in the new year, Howard's got you covered. It's a made-from-scratch cheesecake. You'll need about an hour to get it done, but it will be well worth it. We're making Grandma Alice's cheesecake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Every month or so, we like to invite some of the best cooks in America into the test kitchen. No, they're not on TV, and no, they don't own a restaurant. But what they are everyday grandmothers who cook from the heart. And joining us today is Grandma Alice, who's here to share her kids' and her grandkids' favorite dessert, her cheesecake. Welcome, Alice.
Thank you.
When I first tasted your cheesecake, not only was it super creamy, you could taste the TLC in every bite.
I started baking when I was very young since my mom loved baking. As I grew up, got married, and had kids of my own, my love of baking only got more intense.
You know, your cheesecake is so delicious. What's your secret?
I start out by beating together some cream cheese, sour cream, sugar, eggs, and a little vanilla. You want to make sure everything is mixed but not overbeaten, or the cake will crack. This goes into a springform pan over a basic graham cracker crust, which I added some cinnamon to. After I bake it and it cools slowly, I top it with some strawberries, and before you know it, my grandchildren are pulling at my apron strings begging for a piece.
To get the recipe for Grandma Alice's cheesecake, all you have to do is go to our website. This is truly amazing. I'm Howard with Grandma Alice in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found Alice's grandchildren, Ben and Lizzie's favorite way to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's a look at 4 state market prices.